I think she was so cute. So fluffy. Are you doing a video? Yeah. What's a big bit? Yeah. He's a Canadian. You like pineapple, don't you? It's almost like he knows he's being filmed because he looks at the camera every time. The camera?
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That is good pineapple. That is... Oh my god. So good that pineapple is. You would not believe. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. It's so good in my mouth. Oh, wow. Oh, just never stop. Oh, the savour and the flavours. Oh. More. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's it, on the lips. Oh, no, I'm going to drop it. Oh, I dropped it. More. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Yeah, back in with it. Oh, what's happening to me? I just fall out. No, I think I've had enough actually. It was good for a while. What's that? That's not pineapple. You can piss off. I said pineapple. No, I know it's not pineapple. Oh, I really don't want it. Oh God, go on then. Oh. I'm not eating that.
It's too big. Wait, so half that. Okay.
Well, oh, try it again. What are you trying to do to me? My mouth's stuck together. Oh. I'm really not happy about this. It was great with the pineapple, but this is like, what's this? Oh, God. If you just piss off and leave me alone, I'll eat it.
You guys should come every time. He's eating so well. He doesn't normally eat that.
Why? Why are you filming me? I'm so full. I can't put any more in. I know you won't leave till I've finished. It's still banana, isn't it? Oh, God. Just forcing this down now. Where's that pineapple? I like that. No, that's banana as well, I know. That was quite big, that bit.
Need a second.
Where am I? I keep realising. Where's my mum?
Oh, no.
I was just hanging on, and I keep waking up in here. Oh, you are not my mum. But you're feeding me, so alright, go on then. Just what's that? Can't put that in, dickhead. Smaller, please. That's, well, it's not that small, is it? It's still too big. Smaller. I've got eyes. Oh. What do you want me to do with this?
Ooh.
That's alright, actually. I kind of like that. Have you got any more? Oh no. It's on me. Get off. Kind of full. That big bit did me, to be honest. Well, I don't want it in my nose. Can I just go to bed, please? So tired. Oh, don't even like banana. That's banana again. Can I have some pineapple?
There is a bit of pineapple.
Give me some pineapple. That's what I want. Just one more bit. Oh,
It's
actually, I don't fancy it now. Now you said it.
Lick it. Lick it.
No, I don't trust you anymore. You keep putting banana in. No, I've had enough. No, I told you. No, I meant it. I'm going to get angry in a minute. I'll throw my teddy bear at you.
So he's done that. Boy's trying like a couple of times to see if he's answering. So I'd say that's about 45 grams. And banana.
That's a really big lens. Can I go to bed yet? Cut the board.
Get the wrapper back out. It's time to Baby Mary impression.